Hi, I'm Andre Belfield, and if you've ever looked at AI and thought, this is way too complicated for me, you're not alone. I started learning AI from absolute zero, just like you, and now I'm sharing every discovery, every breakthrough, and every aha moment right here on this channel. This is your beginner-friendly home for understanding AI, with no tech jargon, no overwhelm, just clear explanations that actually make sense. Now, every week, I break down AI tools and concepts into bite-sized steps you can follow. Now, if ChatGPT has confused you, I'll show you exactly how to use it. If you're curious about AI image generators, I'll walk you through that too. If you want to boost your productivity with AI, I've got you covered. I test everything first so you know what actually works and what's just hype. Here's what I promise. If you can follow simple instructions, you can learn AI, because it's not about tech savvy, it's about taking one small step at a time. Now, are you ready to turn AI from intimidating to incredible? Then hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's master AI together, one video at a time.